In 1907, a doctor in Massachusetts believed he had discovered something no scientist had ever measured before. Not a new element, not a new disease. He claimed he had weighed the human soul. His answer, 21 grams. His name was Dr. Duncan MacDougall, a respected physician in Haverhill, Massachusetts. Like many in the early 1900s, MacDougall was caught between two worlds: the rapidly advancing science of the human body and the older belief that something invisible animated it. He had a question that at the time didn't seem absurd. If the soul exists, and if it leaves the body at the moment of death, then it must, however slightly, have mass. And if it has mass, it can be measured. MacDougall built an elaborate setup. He took a Fairbanks scale, sensitive enough to detect a change of 0.2 of an ounce, and placed an entire bed on top of it. Then he recruited 6 terminally ill patients, mostly suffering from tuberculosis, who were close to death. He watched, he waited. At the exact moment each patient died, he recorded the weight. His first patient, he reported, lost 3/4 of an ounce, roughly 21 grams, instantly at the moment of death. He repeated the experiment 15 times on dogs, which he believed had no souls. The dogs, he claimed, lost no weight at all. To MacDougall, the conclusion was clear. The soul was real, and it weighed 21 grams. But here's where the story gets complicated. MacDougall's 6 human patients, only one produced the famous 21-gram result. 2 were thrown out because of equipment problems. 2 showed no change at the moment of death, but then lost weight a few minutes later. 1 actually gained weight, which MacDougall couldn't explain. In other words, his proof came from a single data point. Modern scientists point out other issues too: fluctuations in body temperature, evaporation, the imprecision of declaring the exact moment of death. By every standard of evidence we use today, the experiment simply doesn't hold up. And yet, the number stuck. 21 grams became a film, a song lyric, a tattoo, a metaphor. It traveled further than the science ever did, because MacDougall hadn't really answered a scientific question. He had given a poetic answer to a question science can't even ask. So here's the strange legacy of Duncan MacDougall. He failed as a scientist, but succeeded as a storyteller. Maybe that's the real lesson. Some questions aren't meant to be weighed, only wondered about. What would you try to measure if you could?